Hello?
Hi, can I talk to Diane, please?
Speaking.
Hi, Diane. I'm calling on behalf of John to schedule an appointment.
For what?
The appointment for you to come pick up your belongings from John's apartment.
Excuse me?
John would like you to remove your belongings from his apartment.
What are you talking about?
I'm very sorry, but John has decided to end your relationship.
Is this a joke? Put John on the phone.
I'm sorry, John's not currently available.
What? Where is John? I cannot believe this. This is bullshit.
How does 10 a.m. sound?
Are you fucking kidding me?
Oh, if 10 a.m. is not available, what time is suitable for you?
Fuck you! Hello?
Hi, can I talk to Diane, please?